Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to show you unknown facts about K-pop ENHYPEN band member NI-KI. On this channel we are going to upload interesting K-pop news every day, so make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for the latest K-pop news and trends. So let's get it started. 1. His soul food is dumplings. 2. He likes the other ENHYPEN members, especially Haesung, golden fish bread, sushi and sleeping. 3. He doesn't like waking up in bugs. 4. His most precious item is a pair of dance shoes. 5. He'd like to be someone who can touch people's hearts. 6. He'd like to have a concert and a fan meeting, or a fan sign, after debut. 7. He hopes he'll be able to hold a concert and a fan sign, shoot a MV and debut by the end of 2020. 8. If he could perform with fans just once in his life, he'd do so at the Billboard Music Awards. Please subscribe to our channel for life-changing content and hit the like button. Comment below which video you wish us to do next and we will get back to you ASAP. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.